Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 2.1. Question number 7. Let set A have element 1, 2. B set element have 1, 2, 3, 4. C is equal to element have 5, 6. D element 5, 6, 7, 8. Verify that first part A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, and also second part A cross C is subset of B cross D. Solution of this question. Now given set A is equal to 1, 2 and B set is equal to element 1, 2, 3, 4. C element have 5, 6 and D element have 5, 6, 7, 8. So now first part given A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So now taking LHS. So A cross B intersection C. Now we find B intersection C is equal to B element have 1, 2, 3, 4 and intersection C for element have 5, 6. So intersection means only taken common element of from both set. So there is no common element A, B and C. So this is 5. So B intersection C is equal to 5 and A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross element have A 1, 2 and cross B intersection C, this is 5. So there is no order pair, so this is 5. A cross B intersection C is equal to 5. And also taking RHS A cross B intersection A cross C. So now find A cross B is equal to element A cross B element A element have 1, 2 and B element 1, 2, 3, 4. So order pair A cross B is equal to order pair 1, 1, 1, 1. So now 1 taken first component, also taken second component separated. 1, 1 and 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4. And also first component taken 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2, 4. So this is A cross B. 1, 1 this is, 1, 2 this is, 1, 3 this is, 1, 4 this is and 2, 1 this is, 2, 2 this is, 2, 3 this is, 2, 4 this is. So this is pair, order pair A cross B. Also find A cross C. So A element have 1, 2 and cross C element have 5, 6. So order pair 1, 5, 1, 5 and 1 6 and 2 5 and 2 6. So this is order pair 1 5 and 1 6, 2 5 and 2 6. This is order pair Cartesian product of A cross C. So now LHS A cross B intersection A cross C. So order pair, common order pair. So now 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4. These are not exist. These elements are not exist in A cross C. So this is 5. So this is LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Second part, A cross C subset of B cross D. A cross C subset of B cross D. Now initially find A cross D. A cross C is equal to A cross element have 1 2 and cross C element have 5 6. So now take in 1 5 1 6 and 2 5 2 6. So this is A cross C. 1 5 1 6 2 5 and 2 6. Also find B cross D. B cross D, for B element have 1 2 3 4 and cross D have element 5 6 7 8. So this is B cross D. So order pair 1 taken 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 and also 2 2 5 2 5 2 6 and 2 7 2 8 and 3 5 3 6 3 3 7 3 8 and also 4 5 4 6 4 7 4 8 4 8. So this is order pair of B cross D. So 1 5 1 6 and 1 7 1 8 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 8. So 3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8 4 5 4 6 4 7 4 8. So this is B cross D. B cross D. So A cross C, this is pair element have this order pair and B cross D these. So 1 5 order pair exists in B cross D and 1 6 also present in this and 2 5 and 2 6 also present in this order pair. So AC A cross C subset of B cross D. So this is proved. Question number 8. Let element A have 1 2, B element have 3 4. Write A cross B. How many subset of A cross B? So now solution of this question. So A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to 3 4. So now A cross B is equal to 1 2 element has set A cross B element have 3 4. So now order pair 1 3 and 1 4 and 2 3 and 2 4. So this is order pair A cross B, and also order pair A cross B 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. This is order pair Cartesian product of A cross B, and A cross subset of what will be, or how many subset of will be A cross B. So this is order pair number of element 1 2 3 4. This is n is equal to 4. So number of subset is equal to की power n, 2 की power 4. This is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is 16. So elements, 16 elements. And 9, let A and B two sets such that number of A set have element 3 and number of B element have 2. If x1, x2, y2, z1 are in A cross B, find A cross, find A and B, find A and B where x, y, z are distinct element. Solution of this question. So number of element have 3 and number of element B set have 2, and A cross B order pair element x1 and x2 and y2 and z1. So this is order pair A cross B. So A set first component of order pair, these are set of A. So x so taken 1 times, and y and z. Also B second component of order pair, set of B element. So this is 1 and 2. So this is answer. Question number 10. The Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found -1 0 and 0 1. Find the set A and remaining element of A cross A. Solution of this question. So now given number of A cross A have 9 elements, and which these are ordered pair -1 0 and 0 1. So now A is equal to, so this is -1 0 and 1. So this is order pair A cross A 3 3. Number of A this is 3, and also number of A this is 3. So A cross A. So this is 3 -1 and 0 1. So -1 this and 0 this and 1 also, because element are of set A are same. So now find A cross A. is equal to minus 1 0 1 element, and cross also minus 1 0 1 this. So A cross 1. So now take an order pair minus 1 and minus 1 0 and minus 1 1. This is 0 minus 1 and 0 0 and also 0 1 taken, and 1 minus 1 and 1 0 and 1 1. So this is order pair. So minus 1 minus 1. So minus 0 minus 1 0 and minus 1 1 and 0 minus 1 and 0 0 and 0 1. Also 1 minus 1 and 1 0 and 1 1. So this is order pair. But A cross A, this order pair, and in this set minus 1 0 and 0 1 excludes in this order pair. So rest remaining ordered pair. So this is minus 1 0 this and 0 1 this. So rest order pair minus 1 minus 1 and minus 1 1 and 0 minus 1, also 0 0 1 minus 1 and 1 0 and 1 1, remaining order pair of elements. So this is answer of given solution. That's all. Thank you.